Welcome to Customtronics 360 video. This is a brand new product, and I have to tell you, first of all, do not buy this product if you don't or know anyone who's really technical, because this is extremely hard to install. Extremely hard. And we don't give any warranties of anything if you screw up your car, because this should only be done by professional installers. So first of all, you need at least the camalizer, okay? I would say go for the premium because it's even better. And then we have the 360 system. And this is a 100% 360 bird view system, okay? And contains the main unit, okay, with inputs. I'm gonna open it for the first time, and I open with something that is very stupid to open with, but here we have it. This is the main computer, and its work is pretty simple. You have the camera inputs, and there are 5 cameras. So even if you have a rev cam already from OEM, you still have to install the 5 cameras to make this work. Inside of this is the same processor that any of the OEM cars that has 360 out there, they're using the same processor as this. So this is not a cheap clone or whatever. We have looked up this and checked the processor, and everything is as it should. And it says what you have here from power serial cable that we don't use, but IR sensor we use for controlling it, front camera backup, right, left, video output, USB for recording. It also have recording of the cameras while you are rolling or whatever. You can choose what camera you want to record, you can record them all. So inside this package you have this one is just to calibrate the device. You also get like a big canvas. It's like 4 yards, something like that. No, it's pretty big, that you're going to use for the calibration. And that canvas is also included in the package. Normally when you buy these things or from whatever China, they don't include that, they charge extra. This is including that. So you get this, but also the canvas for calibration. And the price we are putting out this is a limited. We only have a limited offer for this price that we have. But if you are a good installer, it's pretty easy, straightforward, because the cable you run to the cameras already have the video signal and everything inside. So you see, it's going to be 5 of these cables that are both 12 volts and the camera in one. So you don't have to run any separate voltage for them. This is in the main computer. So for example, I'm putting on the L left camera. You're going to just put it in there and then to the camera. So it's just one cable to each camera. So that's pretty easy, straightforward going. So this comes with 5 more or less identical cable, and then you have the power cable for the unit that we will make plug and play for you, so you don't have to splice or do anything. This is the power cable, and that is going to be connected to the Enigma. And then you have the video out from this is going to go into the Jailbreaker harness. So that will be going into the cargo cam, where you can choose to see the 360 bird view. By one press on the screen, you have 360 video input for parking. It's absolutely amazing. And then you have the cameras in the second box. You also get a remote control, because the remote is controlling the cameras. You don't have to use the remote control all the time, because you can set it up to be whatever you want it to be. I mean, if you want to have a big picture on the front cam or rev cam, it really doesn't matter. But if you want to record or look on your recording or change, you can do it with the remote control. And the cameras are specially made, so this cannot be swapped with any other camera. These cameras are special because the aspect is very, very wide. So for this is the rev cam, and then you have the front cam, and then you have the side cams. See, if I said 5 cameras, it's actually 4 cameras. Okay, and then these are going to be inserted into the mirrors, and this is the hardest part, because going to the mirrors, you have to go through the door panel and everything, and this takes time. After everything is installed, you're going to use the canvas, and we have a PDF and also video. You can see how it looks, how to calibrate this, and you have like an OEM 360 bird view. Remember, again, you need to be very technical to do this. It's not hard, it's very simplistic to use and hook it up. It's not hard, but installation of the cameras, you need to know what you're doing.